Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. It's awesome having you here. Thank you for always coming back to check on every video we drop on this channel. I really appreciate you. I love you so much for doing that. God bless you. In this video, I'll be introducing you to forex trading. I know many of you might have heard forex trading in one way or the other. So today I'll just be giving you some basic information you need to know about forex trading in case you are planning to become a forex trader or you wish to become a forex trader. You just want to know something about forex trading. What is forex trading? Forex trading is just foreign exchange. That is it. Very simple. Foreign exchange. That is forex. It's now the trading of one currency to another currency. Let me give you an illustration. You're in Nigeria, you want to travel to the US, you've done every necessary thing and you're ready for your trip. So you take off from Nigeria airport, then you get to your destination, that's the United States of America airport. Then you land there and all you have in your pocket or you have in your hand is the Nigerian naira. And you can't spend Nigerian naira in the US because all this spend US dollars. So you have to sell your naira in exchange for dollars. So that is foreign exchange. Simple. And to become a forex trader, there are some things you need to know so as to be able to trade the forex market. You should be able to analyze the market. Very simple. I'm just giving you key points. You should be able to analyze the market. And there are 4 strategies or 4 ways or 4 analysis you should know so as to be able to analyze. You might not know the 4, or you might just need just 2 of them. Just be good at 2, and if you can be good at every of them, that's good. That's cool. So what are these 4 analyses? You have the fundamental analysis, you have the sentimental analysis, you have the technical analysis, and the psychological analysis. What is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis is an analysis that deals with the economic growth of a nation, factors that affect the economic growth, pandemic, and stuff like that. For instance, when you get to a bank, a Nigerian bank, you see them watching just one channel because every bank has television. And if you are very, very observant, you notice they just watch one channel, and which is Channels TV. Channels TV is a television channel that talks about economic news, that gives you news about economy of every nation, what is making the economy grow and what's also affecting the economy and other things like that. That's all around economic growth. So the reason why banks does that is because they also trade forex, and they have to be informed about the economy because that is the techniques they use to trade their forex. They have to be able to analyze the market using fundamental analysis. And there are just four individuals that trade forex. You have the central banks, you have banks, you have the corporations, and we also have the retail traders. We individuals are the retail traders that trade forex. So the second analysis is the sentimental analysis. Sentimental analysis deals with influence, and this sentimental analysis is not really applicable in the forex market. It's applicable more in the cryptocurrency market. Yeah, if you know this man Elon Musk is a very, very influential man in the cryptocurrency world. Anytime he says something about a coin or a currency, a cryptocurrency, just know it's either for the good of that cryptocurrency or for the downfall of that cryptocurrency. So that is sentimental analysis. That's more of the sentiments, what people see. And those people that say things are those only the influential people that has influence. So Elon Musk is one of them. Another analysis you need to know again is the technical analysis, also known as the TA. Technical analysis. And what is technical analysis? This is how to analyze the price movement, spread, other things that deals with the price chart. You don't need to, in technical analysis, you don't need to know fundamental or sentimental. It's the price action, the spread, and how the movement of the chart. That's what technical analysis is all about. So, do I need to know all these three analyses I've spoken about? No, you can just be good at one. You're ready to move on. You can even be good at the three. It will also help you to do. And the last one is, I would say, one of the most important part of the analysis that you must know. That is the psychological analysis. And this psychological analysis will determine whether you're going to make profit in your trade or you're going to make a loss. Because after you are done with all your technical analysis or your fundamental analysis or every analysis you want to talk about, now boils down to how psychologically strong you are to be able to stick to the strategy or the strategy you have developed as a result of the other three analysis you've done. Because psychological analysis is the analysis that helps you stand your ground no matter the feeling, or let me say the negative odd that comes as a result, that comes with forex trading. For instance, now when you place a trade, and this trade, normally when you enter a position in the forex market, it always starts with a dip, not with profit. Start with loss. So, for instance, you've analyzed that the loss will just last for, it will last for a few minutes, few seconds, 20 seconds, and you just enter the trade and it keeps going deep, going down, going down, going down, going down, going down, going down, and it's not turning to your position. It's not determining how strong, how rigid you are to your plan, and it's not just play. Because sometimes, or most times, you start the trade and you start going in the wrong direction, and if you are not psychologically strong, you might eventually close in that position, and you might end up in a loss. Not even you will end up in a loss, and that is not why you are trading. You want to make profit. So psychological analysis is very, very, very important. Very, very important. So that is all about psychological analysis. And in the forex market, is it that you can only trade currency pairs? No. Currency pairs is just trading one currency for another currency. For instance, US dollar stroke Canadian dollar. That is two currency pair. So you have US dollar, you want to use it to buy Canadian dollar. So that's just that. No, you can't just trade currency alone. You can also trade gold, you can trade metal, you can trade coal, you can trade indexes and many other things. So forex trading is very, very wide. You can trade cryptocurrencies. So forex trading is very, very wide and very, very interesting. And one thing about forex trading is that if you are not ready to learn and you're not patient enough, or you are not kind of person that is ready to practice and practice and practice and practice, you might end up becoming a failure and losing all your money in the foreign exchange market. So that's that about forex trading. Thank you for always coming back to this channel and watch our video. I really appreciate it. And very soon I'll be making extensive video explaining forex trading for you to be able to start a forex trading business for yourself or become a forex trader, taking you from the beginner stage to become a pro. So that's all about that. Thank you for always stay connecting to us. Thank you for always watching all our video. Thank you for giving us a like. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate you. And do well to give this video a thumb up. Leave a comment below. When you do that, all you are just doing is telling the YouTube algorithm that this video is helpful, is impactful, it has impacted us, and we have learned something. So YouTube algorithm will also do their own work by showing the video to other people that also want to know more about forex trading. So please do well to leave a comment in the comment box, give it a thumb up, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, click on the red subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you can get update anytime we drop a new video. Thank you. Enjoy.